Hey guys, welcome to the Peppy World channel. Today we're going to melt sealing wax and do it aesthetically. First, I'd like to start by showing the materials I need. We need a tiny oven and the candle inside it. Then we'll need sealing waxes to melt. Today I'll be choosing the transparent and yellow one, and of course my indispensable seal cap. I use a spoon to melt the sealing wax and silicone to pour the wax on top. After showing all the required materials, I begin by lighting my candle. I immediately insert my spoon. I'm going to place my sealing wax without any delay. For this, I'll start with the transparent one. That will be enough. While my sealing wax melts, I'll be looking at the background of my choice. We can say our theme today is yellow, and we're seeking an aesthetic background for it, so I'll be setting the yellow ones aside. Of course, choosing is tough, but I'd say I've set my sights on this one. Our seal food is nearly melted. Now I'll quickly put this aside and be mindful of my hand as it's rather big. I'm setting my silicone pad, and of course the base I want. Now I'm going to gently pour out the melted seal. And I'll place my title. I'm going to try to cut the part inside rather than the frame on the edge. This is quite significant. First, I'm taking the outer parts and trying to be careful, after carefully cutting the inner part. We can begin with the edge part. Now we're going to melt our wax again. I'm placing my spoon and I'm going to place my yellow seal candle. I'll toss a few in and let it to melt. As our candle is nearing melting, I'm pulling it back to the edge and placing my pad again. One of the key points while doing this is to properly place the part we just cut here. As I do that, I'm going to put it this way, and I'm pressing, slowly inserting the sealing wax that I've melted. I also put on my headgear, and after noticing that the sealing wax has melted, I slowly lift my headgear. I'm going to cut the edges slowly so that the frame is better exposed. Of course, I try to be very careful while doing this so that the frame shape isn't distorted. Our sealing candle is ready. You can do this on top of your envelopes if you want, or by drilling holes. It belongs as sarcasm. I hope this video has been useful for you. Please specify in the comments where you find it most difficult when making sealing wax. See you in the next video. Goodbye.